Yeah, the mouse is back. The rain is just starting to fall. Let's look at the moment. Now Thursday afternoon. It's been raining. Got water everywhere again. Making a nice mess. Pretty deep ruts again. So you're ruining my soil. Well, I am ruining my soil, but I don't have a choice. It's only a little bit along the heading, but there's two wheels. We'll wait till that dry up in the spring and then we'll pull it up. I'm normally about 6 foot and I reckon I'm about 5 foot or just below. Next morning now, that's a bit different to what it was yesterday afternoon. But I don't know, 6:30, 7:15. We're at the other end of the field now. Just driving along the road here, and I met a mouse. There's a lorry, so I can't get through. It's only a single track road. I'm on the C7463. I've just got to wait. No, they're loading the beet, and I'm on the track, and I've got to wait behind this lorry because it's only a single track, so I just have to wait for him to unload. He's just been down this morning doing it. Inspection, make sure everything's going okay, kicking in the beet because we are having a few issues with down the side of the mouse there. Some of the beet aren't. They stick out a bit, so you just have to kick them in. They seem to be worse this year than normal, so I'm just been kicking them in and picking up some ones that are down the side. And there are a few that seem to come over the back windows with over the back there, and you have to. They fall right in the middle down the bottom here. You have to pick them ones up as well. So. Last of the beet. The wettest year I can remember anyway. I know it may not be old as some of you regular watching my channel, but I've seen several months. It's definitely the wettest month, mate.